to Suwon again to meet two of our very close friends. They've invited us over for momo, which is a Nepali/Tibetan dumplings. So today we will be going over there for some homemade momos. Right now we are just stopping by Paris Baguette to grab a few things for them. So yeah, today is gonna be a lot of eating and hopefully we will be off going to explore somewhere new today, hopefully. So yeah, let's do this. I'm just taking a walk now to Paris Baguette. This is where, this is around the area where we live in Songtan. The best bakery ever, in my opinion. Let's go inside. Must be the orange one. Ooh, that sounds good. I might just get this one actually. Got the cake now. Let's go to Suwon to eat some momos.
Did you make this?
No, we all did.
If you want, then we can make. Yay!
Alright. No, it's okay.
He's very sensitive, you know. I'm being a girl, I can touch him. He's using that gloves.
Difference between men and women
Yeah.
in the kitchen.
True.
So the momo is on the stove. It looks so good. Just took out the first tray. It's yummy.
Chicken momo.
But I think you should have dried it, babe.
It's okay, no.
Thank you to Miss Bobby right here.
Oh, hi. Babe, can you bring other one as well so that we can
What are you doing? Like a little monkey in the bag.
So today we are trying Nepali style momo. This sauce, Bobby.
It's just tomato and some chilies, that's all. And some garlic.
Tomatoes, chilies, garlic.
I think it's too spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, we like spicy, so.
No, it's...
So this place is called Hwasong.
Hwasong. Yeah, Hwasong, right.
Hwasong Fortress.
Yes, you're in the vlog, right?
Yes. And this is Bobby, my friend. Hi. You all wave.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
It's over.
Right now we're at the Hwasong Fortress, and this is more of a trekking park as well as a fortress, and we're just approaching the entrance right there. We're here with two of my friends that has been living here for the past like 5-6 years. Yo, how many years have you been here again? 10?
Wait, me?
No, 5?
Yeah.
That's. It seems like you've been here for 10.
Seems like I've been here forever.
Because your Korean's so good. I thought it was like longer.
Like, if you guys really want to go up, we have to go like 30 minutes more.
No, you all
We can
say
go back.
something.
Hi,
Say
yeah,
something.
we are here at Hwasong Fortress 1C,
Uh-huh.
and the weather is terrific here.
Okay, say all of that in Korean.
예, 저희는 지금 수원에 있는 화성에 왔는데 너무 재밌더라고요. 날씨도 좋고 네, 즐겁게 놀리겠습니다.
Okay. How'd you say let's go?
갑시다.
갑시다.
Come and take a look at that you guys built.
So we just got inside the main part of the fortress. Bought myself a ticket. So it was only like 1,000 won, so like less than $1. And just look at the beautiful scenery from up here. That view, so pretty. So pretty much this wall used to symbolize like the separation of Suwon and Hwasong. So on the other side it was like another place altogether. But look at this. So pretty. It's a good thing that we came during this time because it's not too hot. The weather's quite nice for just walking around, so it's like more of a stroll rather than a hike. So pretty. Seriously, check out this view. Isn't it so cool? It's amazing. So we just finished looking around the top part of the fortress. Now we are making our way down back to our car. Might actually grab a coffee or something like that when we get down there. But yeah, this place is really pretty. And we came at the right time because the lighting is really, really nice now for photography and video.